how to interpret data in Facebook and where to find their key information that you need in order to scale and optimize your campaigns in the most efficient way possible. So once again, I'm in my client Fire Recruitment Australia's Business Manager account here, and in order to find that information, you just go up to here and you select column performance, and you've also got breakdown here. So first thing we're going to have a look at here is make sure that we've got the performance metrics selected, and then we're going to go across here to breakdown, and we're going to select by delivery, and we're going to have a look at the age groups. So this is a live ad that they've got which is running right now. As you can see by the breakdown right here, this is the different age groups which the ad has been going out to and who it's been reaching the most. So right here you can see a bit of a gap. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. As you can see right here, it has gone out to reached over 7,290 people, with the majority of that being between the age groups of 25 and 44. So targeting on this one was between the ages of 17 and 44, but obviously with any Facebook campaign, there's always going to be results that skew towards people that are in a certain age group. So obviously the 25 to 44 age group is the one to go after right here. They're engaging the most with it, and 35 to 44 is obviously the biggest one. And in terms of the overall cost per result, it looks like it is the most expensive one for the 25 to 34, most cost effective 13 to 17 year olds. But I wouldn't look too far into that, particularly with this lead magnet that's running right now, because obviously that's going after people who might be sort of looking at careers after high school but may not have the financial ability to purchase the courses which Fire Recruitment Australia is selling. Now, the other thing that you want to look at right here is have a look at who you're reaching the most. So right here, there's obviously a very big difference between males and females. Definitely reaching the men a lot more at 41 cents per click and 74 of 83 clicks. So that's pretty much 90% of the people who are engaging with the ads tend to be men. So after that, you start having a look at where your ad's hitting people. So if you're doing it on an international basis, you want to select country. But for this one right here, we're going after people only within the Australia area for the most part, and that's obviously going to be sort of by region. So if we were to have a look at the results here, we've got a couple of different things. We can see 83 clicks obviously, and the highest level of engagement, you got New South Wales 22, Victoria 24. So more than half of the clicks are coming from just the two states. And if we were to incorporate Queensland, South Australia into there, you would find that an overwhelming majority are coming from the 4 states. So if you're looking to scale your campaign here and start looking at how you can optimize and improve the overall level of performance and get more people going through to your website, you might want to have a look at that option to eliminate those that were underperforming. So if we were to just go up here, and I do apologize, it's always a bit different when things are zoomed in a little bit more to find your targeting one. So right here, so here you would go right here, you'd click into locations, and rather than just having Australia, you would select it by, you would look to exclude or only include particular states. So you could have New South Wales, and you could also even have an exclude option here where you get rid of the states that may be underperforming. So here we go right here, just selected Western Australia as an exclude. So that's a handy little tool, particularly when you're looking to build your campaigns up and you're looking to add more budget to it. And based on the top performing campaigns, you want to make sure that you're using this breakdown section to your advantage. Now, another final thing I wanted to show you as well is placement. So if we were to go onto a typical Facebook platform, so we'll do it right now here. You'll see right here in the corner you've got the right hand column ads, and won't be long before we run into, here we go right here, newsfeed ads right over here. So when you've got to be very conscious of when you're running these advertising campaigns, where exactly your targeting is going and where you're seeing the best results. So if we go back into here, we'll see that a lot of the people are engaging on mobile phones in the news feed right here. So that's one of these posts just over here. So we want to make sure that when we are targeting people, that we preview the news feed ads and make sure that it's hitting the right people with the right user experience, and it's not looking wonky or out of place or misaligned. So have the focus there, and also look here, mobile web, mobile app. That's the only one where it matters. You could probably remove everything else out of that targeting performance right there. So if we were to again go back to here, and we were to edit, which has already been done here, you want to focus on what's working well for you. Now I'm just going to give you a quick little pointer. Unless you absolutely 100% know what you're doing, it's best to always remove Facebook right hand column advertising, and also get rid of in-stream videos if you don't have a video based advert. Make sure that you stick to what's working best. So maybe start by just removing the right hand column and the in-stream. Let the algorithm do its magic for a couple of days, and then come back to making sure what's working and making those edits based on targeting, age, location, where the ad is being shown, and then you will find that your chances of success are going to go up a lot more. So once again, to give you one quick final summary, make sure that ad here is selected at performance, and you can use your delivery to see who's engaging with your posts, who it's going out to, when, what platform it's on, the placement device, and if you really want to nail down, you can also look at time of day for the view and ad account. So that'll give you a bit of an idea as to how you can get the most out of your Facebook advertising investments. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next video.